Hello all, this is Nikhil from 3rd BTech CSC VIT. I'm here to answer the Node.js questions asked in our WD project, WD course 401. So, what is Node.js and how is it different from Apache or PHP? Node.js is a runtime environment for executing JavaScript on the server, and like it's different from Apache and PHP because Node.js is an event-driven language, while PHP is used as a server-side scripting language, and Apache is a traditional web server. And the second question is, what is a callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? A callback function is used to pass the arguments from one function to another function and is executed when the function gets completed, like function completes. So callbacks are commonly used in Node.js because it allows for asynchronous operations like reading files or making network requests to be non-blocking and ensuring the program doesn't freeze and while waiting for the task to finish. And the third question is, what is the purpose of the package.json file in a Node.js project? Can you explain key properties in this file? Okay, what is the purpose? Okay, so the package.json file, it contains the metadata about the Node.js, and it also contains the dependencies of the Node.js and the key properties which are included is the name of the project and the version of the project, and dependencies like the list of packages you've imported and your project is dependent on. Explain the difference between require and import statements in Node.js when and why would you use over over the other. Okay, require is used in common JS modules while import is used in ES modules, and use require for older Node.js projects or when working with third party libraries. Use import for modern ES6 code when using Node.js versions like which are supported for the Node.js versions. What is middleware in Express.js? Can you give an example of how you would use middleware in an Express application? So middleware in Express is a function that processes uh, which it processes some incoming requests. So for example, let us consider we have a middleware to log requests. So it authenticates users or handles errors. So let's take an example. Like consider this statement as app.use express.json. Like it just passes the JSON request, and the next line app.use logger middleware, like it is a middleware to log the request. And the last question is, what is sorry, not the last question, there are a few more. So what is a RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. RESTful API is a way to build the web services that follow the principles like HTTP modules like get, post, put, delete, etc. to perform actions or resources. In Node.js with Express, you can create routes um, for this HTTP methods to interact with the data. What is the purpose of the Node Package Manager (NPM) and how you use it to manage dependencies in a Node.js project? Okay, NPM Package Manager. NPM is a package manager for a Node.js, and it helps you to install, manage, and share packages, or which is also called as libraries in your Node.js project. You use it building commands like npm install package name to and also to add dependencies to your project. And the last question, why is it important to hash passwords in a web application? So yeah, storing plain passwords is very risky. We know that our primary concern is our privacy. So hashing password is is a way to hide the password from any other users or any other breachers who can steal the password. So hashing password is a secure way to protect your password. Thank you.